Alright boys, this is section 3 of the analysis. I got a call from the real estate which is going to be happen today and tomorrow in the Westin Hotel in the Pune, and I'm like, I want to visit but I won't be able to visit. But still I will try my best to visit because I've already scheduled my appointment of the in a Westin Hotel for checking out the real estate in the Dubai, because I'm literally going to literally taking this into my consideration that I really want to shift to Dubai. I want to see some properties, right? So yeah, this is the property expo is going to happen in a Westin hotel. That is a very big hotel. Like, I love the hotel. I just saw from outside and I was like, whoa, 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 what if I go inside? And that is the right there opportunity to go inside, and I will let you know. Like, I will see like what is going to happen. Do parents are going to get like parents will accept this request or not? Like, a lot of things are there. So um yeah, let's go. Let's do this is the third section of analyzing the pure analysis of all the currencies which we are going to take the trade in next week, and maybe probably you can able to see this video at the end of the week. That is going to be, that means you are going to miss this trade. That is what I'm going to take the trades on the $1 lakh account, which is going to be key. We are going to receive the login at a Wednesday, yeah, pretty much. So Wednesday, and $5,000 as well. So funny day count. So let's have a seat right here and let's do the pure analysis. Okay. Alright. So let's go. GBP CAD. Huh. GBP CAD. I want this price to come up here. And recheck. So right now I still need the price to recheck more good. We missed this trade before. Let me just clear this. So right now, wait. After clearing, let me. Wow, this looks beautiful. Hold on. Now my perspective is changing. Okay, brother. Okay. I see what is going to be happen now. There right there is going to be the bullish candle right here, like this, exactly like this, bullish. There is the going to be candle exactly like this, exactly like one. There is going to be wick or downside, retest the EMA and the push to the upside, and that wick is going to get created in a daily, which is going to be a retracement on a daily. So this is going to come down and then push to the upside. Like, this is a beautiful counter trend trade. Take the trade to the upside. Wow, like wow, like wow. So cutty, cutty. That is the worst song. I know. I just come up with this song. I really don't know if that is a valid song or not. Okay, brother, we are also about the very much likely the area of interest, and we are about that area of interest. We can mark this as the daily area of interest, not a weekly area of interest, and I will be waiting for the what we are waiting for. Basically we got the engulfing candle. There's so much cold right here. Okay, yeah, this is the medium probable, we can say. That's not the high probable, because okay, I just can't connect the things, man. I just can't connect the things. 30-minute is still bearish. Hold on, man. I'm just feeling so much cold here. I'll just sit right here. Oh shit, this is not a good place to sit. I'm making it relax, but I'm not having a place to do the analysis. Yeah, now it is good. Now we can have our half legs into the tanning thing. The legs are going to tan for sure. Maybe. Oh yeah, it is going. They are going to tan. My God. Alright, this looks beautiful to me. you know, if I got the shift of structure on 30 minutes, I will be very much happy to take the trade to the upside, but the probability is low. The next candle is going to do this blast. With that right there, it needs a retracement. If that is having the retracement to the upside, weekly is also above this area of interest. Whenever we are above, we are buying. Whenever we are down, we are selling. So now it is actually going to do this thing, and this looks beautiful, but it is not the high probable. If there is a doji right here, that is will be the high probable, but now there is no doji, so that is going to be the lowest probable. So what I am waiting for here, I will be waiting. Will do it. Like this is the bullish. 4 hours is also bullish, so it is. We are having the 20% for looking for buy. Probability is not actually low, it's a medium Oye baba, अरे डच गई ना मैं. नको 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 उड़ी नको मारू नको. ओए बाप रे. Risk is also medium. This is not a high, like, oh yeah. It's going to be day trade, looking for buy, waiting for 4 hours to go bullish. No, I'm waiting for 30 minutes to go bullish. This is like a trade which we can take on a Monday. 30 minutes, 1 day, waiting prime 1 day, bullish. So this is a trade which we can take on Monday, not 1 day waiting prime. We need like a Monday, 1 hour, 4 hours. Is equals to Monday हो या Tuesday, Sunday हो या Monday, रोज खाओ Monday. Alright boys, I will be see what I'm looking right here is this is going to push to the downside, okay? This is going to aggressively pushing to the downside, then EMA is going to pull aggressively downside, and then this is going to do like this, okay, until that EMA is going to come up here, and it is going to push to the upside and retrace to the EMA, and it is going to get bullish. Voila, it's ready to go up. And that is, Jesus, I'm going to get tan. I don't want to get tan. Fuck. I save my legs. How weird it will be. My whole body is white and the legs are black. Ew. That doesn't look good. Like that right there looks weird. Either get all black or either get all white. Do not do mix. Yeah, I literally thought 30 minutes was bullish, then I saw like, oh, 30 minutes is bearish. Yeah. I will be just waiting for 30 minutes to go bullish. This is what I'm waiting for. GBP CAD, I'm shortlisted straight to the next trade. And ZD CAD, where are we in the move? Ooh, where are we in the move? Ooh, I don't like this trade. I don't like this trade. Very, very, very beautiful trade was there yesterday. Wow. Like wow. Now we're going to have the retracement. Whatever goes down, it has to come up. It's going to have the retracement. Beautiful. I don't like this currency at all. KZPY, where are we? KZPY. Oh, yeah. Oh, there. Weekly, huh? Weekly. We are. Let's select this. Yeah, this is the proper area of interest if we mark about. Clear area of interest must be clear. No, that was too big. Yeah, this is right there is the weekly area of interest. Alright, basically this is the weekly area of interest, and we have closed below this weekly area of interest. Now we are very much ready to go to the downside. Catch APY, let me check where are we. Shit, my is paining like anything. I can't stand, because if I stand then I will get tan. Oh fuck. Hold on. Oh shit. It hurts, man. It hurts. Why in the world I have sit for 10 hours at a row? क्या होगा मेरा? Alright, so this is also the weekly area of interest. Weekly magnet zone, we can say. Yeah, this is very much lot big magnet zone. Right then, we're above that magnet zone. Okay, so pretty much, I don't like this trade. We're getting rejection, like a lot of. Oh shit, Kaji was also good trade to take the trade previously. I like it. This is going to come up as I'm saying, but I don't like the trade. I really don't like the way we are above this magnet zone. Seriously, like wow. I want candles weekly candles to close below. That is how it will be confirming that your brother I'm going to go down. So I just don't like this trade. I like it with a weekly, but nah, this is so messy. Like wow, this is so messy. I don't give a fuck about this trade. Don't want to see as well. Okay, what just happens right here? I have predicted this is going to go up. I mean, we need the retracement, and to go upside, we're waiting for retracement candle, which haven't happened. Exactly, I want this, man. I was knowing that this is going to come down, and having the retracement, it just can't go upside. I like this trade, brother. Like wow, in the world, wow. Wow, man, there is so much cold. I'm getting again cold goosebumps of for colding. Shit. So it's pretty much like a sideways in the zone. I just don't like it. This trade is if this trade comes up here and retest this area of interest, wow, that will be good. Retest this weekly EMA, that will be cool as well. Having the closing below, wow, this looks beautiful. Hold on, let me just actually check this. Like wow, this trade looks beautiful. This trade actually, like, not gonna lie, this trade literally looks beautiful, like a Picasso. Wow, wow. But at what cost? Nah, I mean, yeah, it looks good, but there is no higher low on the daily. It will create if I got retracement and there is a nah, that pattern is not looking good. So GPR, where are we? Oh shit, I literally stayed like from almost when it was here, when it was here, almost April. From April I'm saying that this is going to come down, and now it came down. Oh shit. I am so good in predicting. Literally, that is not going to be like how it can possible. It came and stopped right here, right at my area of interest. I am so good in trading, man. I'm so good. I just don't like this currency right now. Euro JPY. Shit, looks beautiful for taking a trade to the downside in the next way. Sorry. I mean, wow, I like this trade as well for taking a trade to the downside because it has rejected from the random area of interest, which is not even valid on the weekly. Okay, to be honest. So this week is going to get filled in the next week. If this week is going to get filled in the next week, then this candle has to like blow down. But right now, what I don't like that this candlestick has closure above this previous structure area, which I literally don't like this. Okay, to be honest. Okay. What the heck is this? Pretty much if I got this 4 hours Pierce, brother, I'm going all in this trade. Why even I have put this? Like why even I have bought this? Uh, like yeah, if I got the daily candlestick closure below, then it is very much like that is going to push it down. So because it is having the rejection from this area of interest. Yeah, cool, perfect. I like it, but this is going to come down. That oh shit! Like why in the world is this coming? This thing is going to come down. Okay, that right there is the true thing because it has to wick this. It has to fill this wick, and this wick has created. It has to fill this wick at any cost. Okay, let me share you some example. The exact way, like this wick has created. It has filled the wick. This wick has created. It has filled the wick, and now we have created the wick. Brother, it has to fill that wick. Enough. But the pattern on the daily doesn't look good. See, I at least I want 4 hours bearish. I want this thing. If this happens, then gone up. Then no, not this. Yeah, at least do this so that I can able to take the trade. Like once 4 hours bearish, like 4 hours got bearish, then push, and 4 hours literally got bearish. Then EMA is going to come up, and then we'll retrace at EMA, and that is how the daily is going to create the Dow Jones also closing the candlestick downside. Looks beautiful. If this happens, then the next week is going to push to downside. But the weird, this thing is so weird. Like wow, this candle, I don't like this candle. Let's not take this trade. Like let's just go away from this trade. Not my type of trade. Okay, brother. Oh, see this now. See this. Wow. Wow. We're going to make money this week. Next week. Oh shit. There is a bunga. There is a flying insect around me. So now this is going to push it down. So the next week is going to come week into this area of interest is going to push it down and come to this take profit. Wow. I like this trade. So now we are also close below this area of interest, which is the daily area of interest, which is what I don't like the way it is. This also trade I have to close it. Boom. I don't want the price, man. Shit. Where I am touching? Yeah. It's enough. Sorry, we are below this area of interest. The 4 hours, how 4 hours is doing. This is the trade, brother. Like wow. But the issue is these trades are coming on a Monday. We can't able to take this trade on the 6-figure account. Oh shit. It beautifully shift of structure, like gone. Now the next candle is going to trade trace and push it downside like anything. Wow, like I love this trade. This week is going to get fixed and then pushed to downside. Wow. This is what we are looking into to take the trade, brother. And now we just want this price to come. I want 4 hours to come here. Give me shift of structure. This EMA is going to come little bit over here and then push it downside. Brother, this is what is going to be happen. We are also below the wow. This is very high problem. Like wow in the world. This trade is taking my full attention. This is my number one trade. The only thing which is now I'm just getting turned off that we haven't created a lower high on the daily. The lower high is this. We can just follow that lower high as well. But to create new lower low, it has to create the new lower high. This is the lower high. This is where my cursor is. Yeah. This is the lower high, I'm not gonna lie, but to push it downside, this lower high is so far. That is what turning me off, but every single thing is looking beautiful. Like the perfection, if you see the perfection, this is what the perfection trade looks like. Odd cat, you are on my side. So what I want, I will just want retracement and push it down. So probability is high. I just want, yeah, basically this is what I want. First 15 minute and 30 minute to get bearish is what I want. Waiting time is 4 hours. Check at 10:30 a.m. Monday. Bearish daily, bearish 4 hours bearish. Yeah, this is the trade, man. This is the wow trade. Like wow. I'm reacting a lot, but it is the trade. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is fucking trade. Like wow. Look at that. Oh. I will marry this trade, man. This slide looks beautiful. Can I adjust? Can I adjust this area of interest? Yes, 1000%. Let me give me my time. I will adjust it purely based on what I want. This needs to have the perfection because we are waiting for a week into this area of interest. We need to have this to perfection. Yeah, done it. Wow, this, oh shit, this is the beautiful area of interest I have ever seen. The exact same pattern is going to happen. This candle, this red candle is this candle, and then this retracement this week is a week into this area of interest, is the next week into this area of interest, and push it downside. That is what is going to be happen. The 4 hours is going to retrace. Oh shit, this looks 10 times, million times. Wow, I love this trade. Odd cat, you are going to be my number one trade. Probability is high, risk is low, and waiting for 15 minutes shift or structure 4 hours. Check. I'm reading this. Check 10:30 a Monday. Bearish. Everything is bearish. Confirm with my eyes. So this is how and close about. Yeah, we are still bearish. Like wow, I love this trade, man. Odd cat, you are my number one trade. Odd cat, come up, come baby. I'm saying a lot. I know. All right, boys. The euro odd, the exact same thing. Euro odd is literally going to come down. Okay, I'm saying this is going to happen not in one week. It's going to happen within 1 year. Okay, it needs a year. So if you just sell it right now, within a year it is going to come down. Okay, so now what I don't like about this currency, that the weekly has closed above this weekly area of interest. I will be very much likely love to see the weekly doji, the exact doji right here. We need the doji, and then next week we're going to push to downside. Okay, so right now, if you're selling this, do not sell. You're doing mistake. It needs to create the weekly doji. It needs to create the weekly lower high to create the new lower low. Alright, so right now it is in process of creating the lower high to create the new lower low. So am I interested to take this trade? This looks beautiful. Like if 4 hours close like this, wow, this is going to push it downside, but at what cost? I just don't want to take the trade. It is not. Also, we are above that area of interest. Nah, I want at least a doji candlestick right here to take the trade, because this is what making me off that it is the area of interest where we are above, we are buying, and we are above, we are going to buy for sure. That is what going to be happen. So that is right. Weekly doji is going to get created. That will be create lower high to create a new lower low. Okay, that right there is what I'm looking into. This thing is paining, man. This thing right there, the two things down there are paining like anything. I'm saying a lot. Yeah, I need that. Euro, not gonna lie, you look beautiful, but not my type. NZUSD, It's beautiful. Weak into this area of interest, push to downside. It's very much. Oh shit. Next week it is going to. I just don't want to talk because I'm not going to take this trade. Okay, brother. Euro GBP. Euro GBP is going to get bearish. This is what my prediction is. I don't know why I predicted, but I predict like this is what I want. Someone on the Yash RTW. Okay, this is doing his business. Cancel the premium. Fuck, I have to cancel the premium as well. I did cancel, but just wanted to confirm it. Euro GBP. Oh, brother, things are going to get brutal right here. This is also solid area of interest right there. Whenever we are above, we are buying. Whenever we are under, we are selling. And right now we are above. So see, what I need is the engulfing candle. I need the weekly engulfing candle right there. That weekly engulfing candle is going to push this daily candlestick down there, and that is how daily is going to get bearish. Then the next week is going to be retracement, push it downside. That is what create the lower left head and right shoulder. But it is very much wow. I love this trade. Even when daily get bearish, we just can't sell this trade because the take profit is so low, because the next rejection is going to be happen, which is this area of interest. There is no take profit. So that's the reason I will wait for this to be happen, the left hand and right shoulder, and then I will be take the trade to the downside. So this week there is no trade in this currency. Euro GBP, no trade. No. I want engulfing candle, brother. This is what I want. GBP USD, wow. Come baby, come into the area of interest. Come. Now it is going to create the bullish candlestick, which is the blue candle. For me, it's a blue candlesticks. Weekly, daily. Wow. I love this. I love this trade. We just need the now this is the 4 hours. I'll just delete this. This is very hard to manage, like very stressful. So now this is the 4 hours area of interest. Okay, brother, let's change the color. 4 hours area of interest. Okay, I just want a retracement over here and then push it upside. This is what I want. I love this trade. I love this trade. Like wow in the world. This is the most high probable counter trend trade. A very much likely rejection from this area of interest. A very much likely rejection from this area. Very much doji. And now it is going to push the upside. It is going to create this engulfing candle. And then after it comes over here, then 1 week doji, 2 week doji maybe, and then it is going to push it down. So that is how this works. But now I just know that there is going to be a push to the upside. That is right there. We can take the buy trade on the. So it is going to create a wick and then push it upside. Literally, it is going to do the things which I am saying. Okay. So also 4 hours got bullish. Exact same thing I'm waiting right here. Exact same thing. I just want the retracement on this area of interest, and this I want lower time frame shift, and that is particularly what I want. And this looks beautiful. Okay. This I'm not gonna lie. This looks million times beautiful. Looks like it is going to come up till here. Looks like that. Yeah, this is going to come till here. But the 4 hours is even though that comes there, I will wait for the 4 hours candlestick closure above this area of interest. That is how it is. It will be confirming every single thing. Yeah, pretty much. If this comes over here, okay, if this comes over here, give me the shift of structure right now. 30 minute is bearish. If 30 minute got bullish, and 30 minute weekly, oh shit, 30 minute EMA, wow, this trade is like wow. I love this trade. This trade is a counter trend trade, not gonna lie. This is what our entry will be. This is this, and then the take profit is going to be this. This is our first take profit. If things is getting weird, I will close the trade, and if things is doing the things which I want, I will hold it up till here. That is actually what I want. Okay, so basically, I was just waiting for the 4 hours retracement candle and give me some kind of engulfing or some rejection on the 4 hours, and that is how I'm going to take the trade to the upside. I love this trade. So GBP probability is, yeah, medium. I will just sell medium because still this is not the highest probable trade. Highest probable trade is also all time frames are in sync. Right now we just have the 4 hours bullish. Oh shit, that's it. That's right there is the formula for losing trades, but I know what I'm doing and completely accepting the risk as well. For daily is also bearish. All right, it like this thing has to come up, like has HAS. Even though that weak into that area of interest, that will be good, but it has to do this. Okay, if I'm saying this has to happen. Alright, so the probability is medium, looking to buy, 4 hours to go bullish. I have written here 4 hours to go bullish. No, I just want 30 minutes to go bullish. 30 minutes to go bullish. That's it. That's right, that is what I want. So my waiting time is 4 hours on Monday. But a lot of trades are coming on Monday. I don't want to come on Monday. I want to trade at least, like at least in the after Wednesday or Thursday, so that I can take the trades on the $1 million, like, sorry, not million, $1 lakh account. Basically, if you just say in INR, I got 10 million, I got $10 million account. Oh my god, that thing is huge. But that is not that is not like, oh my god, wow, I can do anything for it. It's just a number on screen, man. Like, what trading have teach me about a lot of things about trading. So I just want for 30 minutes to go bullish, and that is how we are going to do to GBP USD shortlisted or GPY. It is right now A11.8 or JPY. Beautiful, probably engulfing. Okay, this thing is going to come downside. This is going to fill that way. Can we do anything? I don't like this trade. Instantly. That right there is instant reaction. Oh my god, this is going, wow. Come baby, come. This is what I was waiting for. Now weekly it looks beautiful. Let's go on daily. If daily looks beautiful, I'm going. Oh, I love this. This thing right there is the formula for making money. The exact same thing. Same trade. I'm going to take the trade to the downside. Yay! So this is the area of interest right there. Ah. Beautiful bull. So क्या? What we say? Beautiful. Alright boys. This thing is going to fill this week. Yeah. Oh my god, we are going to make a lot of money next week. Brother, I just want that account to get fast. Oh no, it is already passed. We just need to take the random trade for next 2 days, like Monday and Tuesday. I will be getting the trades on Wednesday. That account I want to take the high probable setup, and this thing is the high probable setups. Wow. Thandi baj rahi mere ko. But this is like a beautiful, like wow in the world. This is like a wow factor for me. Oh my god, this shade, like wow. This thing right there is the beautiful thing. The 1 hour lower high, 30 minute. Oh wow, this is also the this thing is beautiful, not gonna lie. 30 minute lower high, not lower high, it's a higher low. Come on, man, I need to wake up. I'm making such sounds, but you won't even believe. When it hurts a lot. When it doesn't, it doesn't. This is a higher low of 15 minute. How about 15 minute? Yeah, 15 minute. This is the higher low, but I'll still consider this. I love this, okay? I love this. I just want 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Oh! See. This is what I'm actually looking for. I want 30 minutes shift of structure, 30 minutes of 1 hour shift of structure. This will be under the EMA. EMA will come above. Oh shit, there's a flying insect. And then retrace. And once this retrace, and then we'll push to the downside. And that right there is the formula for taking the trade to the downside. That's it. That right there is it. But only thing, oh yeah, we can't forget this. Only one thing, that is we are in a higher rise and a higher lows of 2 hours. This is going to mess up everything. Also, like very much buying pressure are going to come. I will be waiting for the retracement, and then I have the engulfing candle. That right there is a good thing to do. If I like, yeah, beautiful, like beautiful. See this now, the high time frame makes sense. Once that, wait, 4 hours is creating the higher rise and higher lows. Yeah, it is. See, once that 30 minute get bearish, it will be having the engulfing candle on the 4 hours, then will be under the 4 hours EMA. This is going to lose, like, wow. This thing is going to push to the downside. I know this is going to be happen when the 4 hours will be above, so under the EMA. The 1 day daily will also go under the EMA. Holy shit, man, a lot of things are getting picture. But the take profit is going to be this. The take profit is low here. So I wanted to make sure the take profit makes sense if we're taking the trade. Okay. This right there is the area of interest where the first rejection is going to be happen. So I wanted to take the trade by having the take profit right here. If take profit makes sense, I will take the trade. If doesn't. Okay, we can do this as well, like, yeah, because that right there is just a one structure, man. This is just don't want to get tan, but I'm going to get tan. It looks like that. Pretty much, yeah. I like this trade, but just wanted to make sure the take profit makes sense. If take profit makes sense, trade makes sense. If take profit doesn't make sense, trade doesn't make sense. Okay. Alright, so pretty much this is like this looks good for taking a trade to the downside. GBP/JPY, I am shortlisting GBP/JPY for taking a trade to the downside because this week is going to get filled. Where are we? The Roshni Dai, आज पानी नहीं ना रे उद्या. Okay. हो हो उद्देश चिंतामणीच. माझ्या यूट्यूबवरती 12 लाख 13 लाख व्ह्यूज झाले. फेमस असे जे बोलतो ते काय चाललंय काय नाही लाईफ. हो, डेली रुटीन एकच शब्दात बरोबर. So GBP/JPY, I like this trade, but the question is where the take profit is. The take profit is going to be this area. I will sit like this on 2 legs now. I will touch. No, maybe it looks good. Holy shit! To do the analysis, we have to do a lot of things. So bullish weekly is bullish right here. Bullish. Daily is also bullish. The 4 hours is also 4 hours. At least 4 hours is bearish. We have 10% in our side, so we need to make sure the things which we are going to take the trade makes sense. Okay, trade has to make sense. If it haven't make sense, now this is like not a medium. This is like the probability is high, but the risk is also high because we are just taking the trade only one time frame in sync. That is the risky thing. And the time frame we are taking the trade is the low time frame. So probability is uh, the probability is low, and the medium we can say, but still, like the probability is low, risk is high. Looking for sell, waiting for 30 minute S O S एक दो एक. You heard this? We need to wait for 4 hours. This is absolutely coming on Monday. 4 hours absolutely coming on Monday weekly Polish. We just have 4 hours into a picture, man. See, 4 hours. If I got 4 hours engulfing candle, if I got 30-minute 1 hour shift of structure, if I got the beautiful take profit 1:2 Atlas, if I got every single thing, I will go in. If not, I'm not going to go in. That right there is what I want. Make sure the take profit. I will type here. Okay, make sure the take profit. Yeah. All right, GBP/JPY. I'm looking into this. GBP/JPY shortlisted. USD/JPY on other hand, USD/JPY. There we go. Oh, there we go, brother. I literally said this is going to be happen. And now we got a doji. That is a fat ass doji. That is not a good doji. Also, daily is bullish having this. I'm just not interested. Next week we'll come into it. EuroCAD. Holy shit. Now the next day is going to be pushed to downside. The candlestick is going to close to downside. We have to figure out how we can take this trade into selling trade. This close below this beautiful area of interest. 4 hours got bullish. 4 hours get bearish. If 4 hours get bearish and retrace now, wow, this will be the trade. But the take profit will not make sense. Weekly, nah. I certainly know that this is going to push to downside, okay? But the take profit doesn't make sense. I just don't like to take the trade. Have I skipped anything? No. Euro USD, come brother, come baby. Euro USD is coming onto the picture. I know what is going to happen. I certainly know what is going to happen. Fuck. I got so good in trading that now I know that this is going to have the exact candle like this. Exact kind of bullish. Mark my words, if I say that has to happen, and the next candle is going to be the bearish candle, okay? So right now we are going to make the weekly bullish. Okay, sorry, weekly into, so daily is going to push to the upside and come up here. Daily EMA is going to get rejected. Like wow, like every single thing is getting picturized. I can literally say every single thing is going to be happen. Now the daily and the 4 hours looks perfecto, very perfect to take the trade to the downside. Like if this 4 hours got bearish retrace, wow, it's like a number one trade to take the trade to the downside. But when we see on a weekly, where are we selling on a weekly? We are in the very lowest point. And I don't like to take the trade on a very lowest point. I want to take the trade somewhere right here. When the retracement is properly done. Right now, not a good retracement. Yeah, it could literally take like it could literally create a candle like this, and we will be missing the trade. But it's better to miss the trade rather than taking the trade, which is we are not confident of taking the trade. And now a lot of air is coming. I know. Euro USD, I like it, but I don't like you. GBP NZD, wow, just wow. Holy shit, wow. Holy shit, like wow in the world. I was waiting for this candlestick close down below, it haven't closed and just pushed it upside, and we have literally avoided losses. I was waiting for, like, a lot of people told like, can I sell, and I said no, brother, do not sell that is the fake out, brother, do not sell. And yeah, people will sell it, people will lose it, people will regret it, people will again get demotivated. So right now I'm not interested GBP NZD. Oh shit, goosebump आ गया मेरे को, goosebump. Shit, this is the, I'm going to get ill, looks like that, because I'm having so much cold. I'm feeling so much cold because the air is cold so much. I'm coming into the sun, it feels so hot. I'm going into Sauli Chaya, what it says, there is, where there is a no sun area. I'm feeling so cold, like now I'm having this. Holy shit, this is also good trade. Yeah, this is also good trade. Let me check, brother. But something is somewhere wrong. Nah, this is not a good trade. This was a good trade, but this is not a good trade. Even like, I am just wow in the world. Okay, this week has created, the week is going to get filled. This week is going to get filled. We can take this trade to the upside. Wow in the world. I want daily to create the doji, but where are we buying, man? Just make sure, where are we buying? We're just buying onto somewhere there is no one gone. Not interested. CHFJPY, yes brother, I am coming here for selling you, man. So it has created the doji. CHFJPY looks good for taking the sell to the downside. Doesn't make sense. Is CHFJPY give me the 4 hours shift of structure in a proper way? I will very much happy to take the trade to the downside. Oh shit, there is so much sun in there, so much sun. I like to sit on my 2 legs now, because that is actually keeping my bum above this ground, which is not having the pain. What I'm even saying, man. So basically, I like this trade, like wow, but skip. I just don't want to get involved. Now this is also too. This is too low. We come into too low currencies. Euro NZD. Yeah, basically nah. CAD CHF. This is too low. And ZD CHF. This is also too low. USD CHF. It is. Where are we? This is 2S low, but wow. Have you ever seen now this thing is going to go, brother, like wow. This has literally gone bullish. The weekly got bullish. Weekly haven't even got bullish, but now weekly got bullish. Now the pushing to the downside is, the game is over. Now finally buyers are coming into picture, and now they are going to push this price to the upside. But at what cost? The weekly is going to have the weekly closer candle, and then next week is going to push candle to the upside. Right now looks beautiful for on a daily to take the trade to the upside, but you guys are going to fake out. GBPCH, I'm just not interested in the trade which is downside. GBPCHF, not interested. Euro CHF, this is too low, 2S low, not interested. Odd NZD is doing the things which I don't want. Fuck off. I don't want you. GBP CAD weekly. Oh, do we circle back? GBP CAD, yeah, we circle back. Alright boys, so we circle back again. No. So we'll see. Okay, so we'll see where are, like, these are the 4 currencies which we are going to take the trade. Where anything which get into it, which is drop down, right? So like we will shortlist the trade based on the trades which is ready to take the trade. 4 hours, blah 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 blah. I think so. I need daily doji right there. If we have a daily doji, that will be good. Because we're taking a counter trade, I need to make sure that things is good. If we got a daily doji right there, that will be best. Yeah, actually, wait. Let's wait for daily doji. Let's not go for rush. I've daily doji got. We got daily doji. Then wow, wow in the world. Daily doji and one day. So one day we are waiting for one day. That is going to be Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday, I'll check it on Tuesday. That is if we got doji. Wow, we are good. Doji or some kind of fuck around candle. I want candles to be right here or for a whole day. Once that done, this thing is going to push it on. Push the upside. GB cat. Tomorrow's trade. Yeah, tomorrow's trade. Odd cat. What the heck is going on? Odd cat. So odd cat. Oh, odd cat. Odd cat. Okay, weekly looks beautiful for taking a trade to downside. This is going to push retracement. Have the retracement weekly week into the area of interest 4 hours. Wow. Good shit. 4 hours is oh. I will see that 4 hours is bearish. Okay, but structure makes sense. So I will just consider this. 4 hours is bearish. Oopsie doopsie. Daily is bearish as well. Weekly is bearish. So yeah, this looks high probable. Very much I have written over here. Swan 15 minute and 30 minute to get bearish. Odd cat 2 days trade, which is going to be the trade coming on the Monday. Okay, odd cat saw segregated. GBP USD, GBP, BP, GBP, BP, GBP. So we are having a rejection from a very respected area. Having a beautiful day doji. The next candle is going to be weak into this area. It is going to push it upside. Yeah, pretty much. I want 4 hours candlestick closure there. Okay. Yeah, I need to check it. Second thing I want is 4 hours candlestick close on 4 hours 809. I want 4 hours candlestick closure over there. That means this is going to start of the candle. This is going to be end of the candle. 7:30. At 7:30, there is. Yeah, pretty much. Everything. Everything. I need to wake up. How should my legs are paining now? By sitting under 2 legs. So much struggle. It is what it is. Accept it. So once we get the 4 hours candlestick closure at 7:30 right here, then we can easily will be ready to take the trade to the upside. Oh shit, there is so much air. It is getting recorded. It is what it is. Understand? GBP I'm very much likely to take the trade to the upside. So this trade is coming around at Monday. GBP tomorrow 2 days trade will go on 2 days trade because yeah, Monday is the 2 days trade. This is I'm doing the analysis for the whole week from next week Monday to Friday. So this thing is going to come to the downside as per that basis, but make sure I have to be make sure 1:2 risk reward ratio is there. So basically GBP I'm waiting for 4 hours Monday. 30 minute shift of structure. If 30 minute shift of structure is happened, what the fuck is that? What is this? Like, what in the world is this? Is that a kid? Is that an insect stuck in the spider net? It's like that. So I want the 1 hour, like at least 1 hour shift of structure, 30 minute and 1 hour shift of structure, which happens beautiful. GPJPY is going to be on the Monday trade. So like a lot of trades I'm able to see. Like now this is the now the next way is looks like the GBP currencies. A lot of GBP currencies we have. So this is what shortlisted is. Now today's trade is a Monday trade. Monday trades on the Monday. Tomorrow's trade means after the Monday. So OddCat again. Let's recap this. OddCat. I'm waiting for what I'm waiting for. OddCat. Let's me go only hard time from here. I'm waiting for 4 hours candlestick closure on the area of interest, and then we need a shift of structure on the lower time frame to push to the downside. That is what I'm waiting for, the 4 hours. Okay, and I'm looking for taking the trade on the downside like this. This is what I'm waiting for on OddCat for 4 hours. This is what we are going to get on a Monday. So Monday, I'm waiting for OddCat. GBPUSD on Monday. I'm waiting for price to come over here. 4 hours candlestick close there, and there I can able to buy this currency if I got the lower time frame shift of structure. That is what I'm waiting for on GBPUSD. This is very high probable that we can going to get this exact every single thing that we wanted on a Monday. GBPUSD is I'm waiting for buying. GBJPY I'm waiting for selling. Okay, so if I got like now, this is very much likely for what I want is 4 hours engulfing candle that I want. Then 1 hour and 30-minute shift of structure like this is what I want. If I got this, and then I will check the risk reward ratio. Right now risk reward ratio doesn't make sense. I want risk like if this candle if this comes over here, then that actually makes sense. Then that I can able to take the trade to the downside. GBJPY very much likely to take the trade. Okay, I'm waiting for checking the sell trade on a GBJPY. Who should I'm going to get 10? Fuck. So now these are the 3 trades I'm waiting for on a Monday. And GBP CAD, which is after the Monday, that is after Monday I'm waiting for Monday candlestick closure as a doji right there, and then we can able to have the push up. So because this is a counter trend, and I just wanted to make sure that this trade makes sense to take the trade to the dow upside. So I'm waiting for GBP CAD to have the doji candlestick right there, and basically then we can able to take the buy trade to the upside once we got every single thing. Looks like the doji candlestick is going to be there because 4 hours is going to shift of structure, need that like this. Also the 30-minute is going to like every single thing which I want is having once the daily candlestick closure as a doji. So we can't check this trade on a Monday because we can't take the trade on the Monday because we need a daily candlestick closure as a doji. So Monday day I need daily candlestick closure over there, and next day on Tuesday we can able to take the trade. So looks like that we are going to have the trade on the Monday and Tuesday. That are the 2 days we are going to have the trade. So yeah, this is it. Signing off. A wonderful day ahead. This is what our analysis is. So this is a step 3. Section 3 of the video is getting over. Just go watch section 1, section 2 and section 3 to understand every single thing. And I don't know, like I just like now I have finished my promise that I'm going to I was going to provide the trades on the once I passed the funded 6-figure funded account, 6-figure challenge account, and I did pass the 6-figure challenge account. I have fulfilled my promise. So I'm not going to post these things freely. I'm going to post this at the end of the week so that everyone will understand what they have messed up, what trades they have missed. So yeah, pretty much this is signing off. Have a wonderful day. Peace. I want to close this. Where I can close? How?